Prepare the roof rack installation components. Follow the arrow tips on the sidebar. Align the hole position. Assemble the front bar and extension bar. Use 4 M6012 hex head screws to fix the front bar and extension bar. Align the hole position. Assemble tail bars and extended sidebars. Also use 4 M6012 hexagon round head screws to fix the rear bar and extended sidebar. Assemble multifunctional expansion bars and sidebars. An up and down alignment. Insert the M6 slider nut from the bottom slot of the stringer. Use M6014 hexagon bevel head screws through the crossbar. Sidebar and M6 slider nut. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. Repeat the above steps to place the second crossbar. Install M6X14 hexagon socket round head screws at the ends of the 4 crossbars. All screws tightened. Installation complete.